Howdy.
Hi.
How's it going?
Oh, bad, actually. Listen, I have a rather sensitive question to ask you.
Shitter's in the back, man. Enjoy.
No, I need a gun.
What?
You know, like a pew pew.
You must have missed the gun machine.
Machine?
Outside, hang a right, around the side of the building. Gun machine. It'll set you right up.
Thanks.
Anyway, what is it about me specifically that makes you think I would know how to get you a gun?
Primarily your occupation. You know, I thought like convenience store owners have guns to like shoot robbers and stuff. I don't know. It's not personal. It's just.
Well, you ain't wrong. Sometimes I kind of like let the cash register open and I hide somewhere to see if someone will come rob me, and then someday I'm gonna get them, you know? It's like, I'm gonna get them good.
It's around the corner, he said.
Bro, you gotta get in line. Or maybe
It's too much.
Bro, I'm gonna get the Desert Eagle.
I don't know, dude. What if it's too heavy?
I'll get Jax from carrying it.
Only in one arm, though. It'll be hard to hold it all cool, like, how do you like me now?
Okay. What about the 9mm?
Yeah, it's tight.
Nice.
Yeah. Run! I'm gonna shoot you. Wait, what? No, shoot me!
Hey, don't do that.
Do what?
Dude, you're gonna blow your head off. Oh, hey, whoa.
That's what I thought. Nerd.
Darn it! I don't have enough for an AR-15.
No, I'm not gonna give you money to buy an AR-15.
Oh, come on. I'll get laughed at if I have the smallest gun at school.
Kids are assholes.
I already get made fun of.
For what?
For eating my boogers, for smelling bad, for being poor, for liking math, for having messed up teeth, then for having braces, then for having straight teeth, for eating a mango.
I get it. Look, man, I don't think the size of the gun matters.
You don't?
No, not at all. In fact, I think if you work really hard, put your heart and soul into it, and become really good, I mean like a total ace, I promise you, nobody's gonna laugh at the size of your gun.
You mean it?
Of course, bro.
Thanks. What's your name?
Killian.
Thanks, Killian.
Careful with that.
Hello.
Fuck, dude! Oh! Ah, god damn it!
It won't happen again. I promise.
Oh.
Please, oh please, won't you stick around? I don't wanna say goodbye when the sun goes down. I wanna keep you close, wanna hold you tight. I don't ever wanna say goodnight, won't you stick around? I don't ever wanna say goodnight, won't you stick around?